So, Splash Mountain is on its way out soon. It's being rethemed to a Princess and the Frog ride in the near future. We initially learned of this in April of 2021, but during the Essence Festival of Culture in New Orleans last month, we learned that it will be coming in late 2024. We also got an official name for it, Princess and the Frog Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It's not the best name, but whatever. But let's talk theming. Disneyland and the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World, Florida have a number of lands circling the castle at the center. These lands are themed around a central or general idea, and all of its attractions are, or try to be, within that theming. In Disneyland, Splash Mountain is located in Critter Country, which, as the name suggests, is a southern forest theme with talking animals such as Winnie the Pooh and, of course, Splash Mountain. In Walt Disney World, Splash Mountain is located at the end of Frontierland, an Old West-themed land. It fits pretty decently there, but not perfect since the setting of Splash Mountain is in the South, not the Old West. To make these themes work better, the soundtrack of the ride differs between the two parks. For Disneyland, the music is performed with big band, jazz band orchestras, and brass instruments, to better fit the land right next to it, New Orleans Square. For Walt Disney World, the music is performed with more bluegrass string instrumentation to better fit Frontierland. But, with the rethemed Princess and the Frog, which is set in New Orleans Bayou, there will need to be some changes to how this ride fits into its respective lands. A New Orleans setting for a log flume ride. That works pretty well for Disneyland. It kind of extends the reach of New Orleans Square and fits in perfectly with that aesthetic, alongside Pirates of the Caribbean and the Haunted Mansion. Disney can very easily just push the border of New Orleans Square to cover the ride and take a little land away from Critter Country. However, we Florida park goers have a different situation. Since our Splash Mountain is placed at the end of Frontierland, how do we fit a New Orleans Bayou ride into that land? Magic Kingdom doesn't even have a New Orleans Square, with our Haunted Mansion being a Victorian Gothic design set in Liberty Square, and our Pirates of the Caribbean being a Spanish fort in Adventureland. Strap in, because I'm about to be the 1000th Disney nerd to overthink it all and make this work. It simply must be done. My first idea, which is admittedly my favorite, is just to make a New Orleans land around Splash Mountain. Just redefine the end of Frontierland and Adventureland, and let New Orleans Square take up that back area of the park. You could even go so far as to demolish Tom Sawyer Island and rework it into a New Orleans setting. Nah, that'll never happen. Tom Sawyer will outlast everything else, I swear. Alright, so maybe they decide not to give the new Splash Mountain its own land. In that case, I would say it's part of Adventureland now. Simple. It's located at the direct end of Adventureland anyway, so it doesn't really require any physical movement. Adventureland and Magic Kingdom does not have a single setting. It can go from the jungle in Jungle Cruise to Agrabah from Aladdin to the Spanish fort Pirates is located within. And then maybe, New Orleans. But let's get a little crazy. Let's say Disney doesn't like either of those ideas. Okay, here comes the crazy. A brand new, completely original land. Yep, this one's gonna get wild. Strap in, once again. I'm not just talking about Splash Mountain. I'm still saying we trash Tom Sawyer Island. But let's go ahead and retheme Big Thunder as well. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I love that ride too. But hey, the Disneyland one is better anyway. What would this land be? How about a magical swamp? Fit in the Princess and the Frog rethemed Splash Mountain. Retheme Big Thunder Mountain to be a haunted New Orleans train through Driscoll Mountain in Louisiana. Then, make a swamp tour ride around the water surrounding Big Thunder Mountain today. You'll have to move the track for the riverboat, but that would also fit the New Orleans theme perfectly. Oh man, are you excited? Because I am. Could it really happen? Oh, what about Tom Sawyer Island? Who cares? Make it a parking lot for all I care. No, I'm joking. You could actually make a whole New Orleans town there, and maybe make a brand new attraction or two in there. How about a sequel to Pirates of the Caribbean? Or maybe something entirely original? How about the Museum of the Weird concept originally pitched for the Haunted Mansion? Oh wait, you could even move Pirates there. Make it bigger like in Disneyland, and then put something else in place of the old location. Maybe a Colombian setting for that Encanto ride? We've all been wanting an Encanto attraction, right? Oh boy, I better calm down. I did warn you I'd get a little crazy there. But what do you think would be a good way to integrate the Princess and the Frog Splash Mountain? Or maybe you don't care at all. As long as it's a fun ride, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can keep backseat Imagineering. Thanks for watching.